来美国伫当地时间11月初5，台湾时间是11月初6，要来选总统。川普甲贺锦丽拢到摇摆州来催票，做最后的冲刺。因为封关的民调，两个人伫摇摆州的支持度拍成平手，无输无赢。
美國總統嘅大選特別高啊！賀錦麗甲川普佇搖擺州嘅支持度有關係無輸無贏。
We have brand new polls from the New York Times and Siena College, and they're giving us a last-minute snapshot of just how razor-tight this race is.
賀錦麗佇內華達州、北卡羅來納州甲威斯康辛州，敢若贏川普2%到3%爾。兩個人佇喬治亞州、賓州甲密西根州嘅支持度是平手。 川普前往去紅清潔嘅賓州做事時陣，甲伊嘅支持者怨嘆講，保護伊安全嘅紅彈玻璃有空隙。
To get me, somebody would have to shoot through the fake news, and I don't mind that so much. So I have a piece of glass here, and the problem with that glass is I don't look great on television when you have a 4-inch piece of glass that a howitzer can't go through.
離投票日愈來愈滑，川普言論就愈來愈失控。伊暗示講對手是要操控選舉制度。
Look at what's going on. Look at what's going on in your state. Every day, they're talking about extending hours and stuff. Who ever heard of this stuff? We should have one-day voting and paper ballots.
美國有超過7600萬人提早完成投票，已經將票寄出去嘅賀錦麗，嘛翕影片提醒民眾一定愛投票。
So make sure you fill out your ballot. I did mine, and if you haven't yet, please make a plan to vote.
賀錦麗前往密西根州參加會嘅教會活動。 隨後佇造勢活動，閣再提起選民愛用選票發聲。
And so in these final hours, let us remember that there is power in knowing that we are together, and let us remember that your vote is your voice, and your voice is your power.
選前最後嘅催票階段，賀錦麗甲川普全力說服選民，用手來選票，將因送入白宮。
Hello， 我是庄慧琪。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。